Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to discuss the winter season. With the winter season, this time of year, cars get a little more dirty with the rain, with the elements. We're going to show you some tricks. We're going to show you some steps that we take during the winter time to keep the vehicle cleaner, to maintain our maintenance times throughout the winter season. Protection is going to be the key to combat the winter time and all the winter elements. Whether it be snow, rain, road grime, protection is the key to keeping these vehicles maintained. We protect every painted surface with either 1 year ceramic spray, or heavy sealant to help with the winter season. This is going to help reject contamination and dirt from the surface of the vehicle, which in return eases the process of washing. On all maintenance vehicles, we put a true ceramic coating, a 3-year coating on the front grills and the license plate. This right here protects the vehicle from any bugs, any etching, and also we don't have to do that deep scrubbing when it comes to washing the vehicle. We also protect all exterior glass of the vehicle. It helps with, again, fallout, rain. It also ensures the driver's safety on the windshield to repel rain. Lastly, but probably most importantly, a big time saver is we protect all rims, either with the spray SiO2 or a true ceramic coating. If you want the time savings and avoid scrubbing wheels, take these tips. Also, black trim, you guessed it, is protected. Now, the trim doesn't just fade in the summertime, it also can fade in the wintertime. So get that protected for easy cleaning as well. All right guys, so those are the tips and the steps we take to maintain all our maintenance vehicles during the winter. And for this winter protection, if you want any of these, they'll be in the link in the description below. Also, if you guys need any advice, any help with anything, you can hit our consulting line. Link in the description below. We're always here to help. Sal and Joelle with details. We're out.